So I'm planting some butternut squash seeds. I've put them pointy end down, and then I'm going to cover it up with more soil and then leave them for a few weeks. And then, do you want to water the plants? Yeah. Go on. Not in one place! Everywhere! You're going to kill it! MashaAllah, in one day it's grown what? 2-3 centimeters after opening the lid. Look at these fish. Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at my garden, especially the gardening I've been doing. This year my parents are abroad and I thought, okay, let me try out some gardening. And, you know, it's been doing quite well. So let's start off here. I think this needs some watering as it's wilting a bit. This is beans, broad beans plant. That was planted by my nan. And then we've got some different type of Asian, Bangladeshi pumpkins. So we've got a few variants of pumpkins here. This one was given by my nan. This one's from my in-laws from Oxford. And this one here is from one of my uncles. Then we've got some potato plants growing. They're sort of growing throughout the garden here and everywhere. We've got a little spider here. I don't know if we can focus on that. Okay, and then these two pumpkin plants, they just started growing randomly. From last year's seeds. Then we've got some tomato plants here. Again, there's two types. These are grown in pairs. There's two in each location. And then there's a different type of tomato plants here. And then we've got some radishes here as well, which are doing quite well. And then here I did try to grow some coriander, but it seems like there's a lot of random weed and grass growing, which is quite annoying and disappointing. If you look, you can see the coriander just there, and then more potato plants growing as well. And then here we've got a plant, I'm not sure exactly what it is. It's another Asian plant with some Asian vegetable, but once they're grown I'll show exactly what they look like. We've got some flowers growing. And then we should go to the other side. We've got a rose plant here that was given by my mother-in-law. Got a few flowers. We need some care to grow some more. Here we've got some potato beds, which were done just last week, so they should grow soon. And then I'm leaving this empty for now. And there's also coriander and stuff. And then in this section here, I did plant some flower seeds, but I can't see any actual flowers yet. And here we've got parsnip. I think this is the flower of the parsnip. That either that or here these. So obviously the parsnip grows under the soil. These, like I said, are really annoying. You know, these are just random plants. And then got lettuce. Lots of lettuce growing. We have had some already. And I think we'll have some more today. And then what's here? Carrots. Not much growing really. We'll see what happens. And then here I did grow some spinach. Got one spinach plant here, and I've redone some more. And I think, if I'm right, these lines should be spinach. So I think they're growing the second time round. These plants here is an Asian sort of leafy vegetable thing that we eat in curries. Quite flavorful and tasty. And then I've got the pots, a few pots here. Potatoes are being grown here, more coriander here. These are lettuce again. Seems like lettuce grows quite easily. So then here I'm trying to grow carrots on their own to see how well they actually grow. I don't know if that is a carrot leaf. And then more parsnip here as well. So yeah, that's it really. Inshallah. And lettuce. And spinach is finally growing. It's a spinach flower. Got a red spinach here as well. Pumpkin, potato plants, coriander here, which you can see. More lettuce. Carrots here. That's carrot leaves. Looks similar to coriander leaves. Wow, look at your fashionable clothes that your granddad got you. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? That's a very colourful and strange looking insect in the bathroom. Do you want to do some gardening today, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay. What would you like to water first? The lettuce? Do you want to do the lettuce? Go on. Go on.
What are you gonna make this?
That's carrot.
I like carrots.
Yeah. Go on then. Water. Go on. There's water in there. Go on. Yeah, good boy. That's just everywhere, 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 not one place. Right, let's go to the next one.
Yeah. Oh, on this one.
Yeah, no, this way.
What's this one?
That's coriander.
I can pull
No.
it.
Do it here. Red spinach in this one. Go on. All the way. Not in one place. All the way. Come on. All the way. Let me show you. Go on. Like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
See? And do this one. This one's called denga.
I like dinga.
Denga. You like denga? Okay.
Okay, next
You
one.
want to do the pumpkin? Do the pumpkin.
What's that pumpkin?
There. Go on. Find a gap. Find a gap and put water through it. Go on.
There.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, look. Grandmother's saying this way.
Yes. I'm watching things.
Do the. Oh, look at the tomato plants.
Where? Which
You want to do the tomato plants?
Where
Yeah, do it there. Right at the base. Just there. Just there.
Right there.
Yeah. Go on. Good boy. Next one.
Oh,
Here.
what's this one?
That's another tomato.
Oh, yes.
Go on. Okay, okay. And then this one now, just there.
What's this one?
That's a tomato again.
Okay.
These are all tomato. Do you like gardening?
Yeah.
Okay. What else shall we have a look at?
I got
More pumpkin plants here.
There.
Different types.
There.
There's what? What's there?
There.
What?
This is single. What's in the single there? Right up there.
Broad beans. Nothing happening here.
Oh, broad beans.
You want broad beans?
Yeah, just pour it in the water.
Go on then. Go and do it here.
Okay.
Go on.
Where,
Go on.
Where is it? Go
In there. Right by the red stem.
Oh,
Go on.
there.
Yeah. Pour it. Pour it. Good boy.
Whoa.
So I think these have been growing for a couple of months now.
Whoa. It's really not from my hand.
And my son just wants to help me.
Whoa.
Go on, move that way. Watch,
Whoa.
don't fall.
Whoa.
Come on. These are about 6 weeks old now.
Whoa.
These obviously just plantlings, and then
Woo.
these ones here, tomato plants, I grew from seeds, in bunches. Should have probably
Whoa.
space them out a little bit because they're growing quite a lot.
Open it.
More potato plants. Need to take all this weed out.
Whoa.
And this is growing quite well now.
Whoa.
Put some garden net on so this vegetable can
Whoa.
spread out everywhere. And these are growing quite well as well. Potato plants. And then I've got here, these two are aubergine plants that my dad got from somewhere. Plenty of lettuce growing, mashallah. And then these we've ate a couple of times. These are a nice leaf to eat with fish curry, and it's called lai pata. The red spinach is doing well. And denga, these are Bangladeshi vegetable. They grow to be like quite stalky, stemmy vegetable. And that's it for now. About 2 months or so. Okay, so it's been about 2 to 3 months now, and these are the pumpkin plants. You can see a few pumpkins growing there. And one over there as well, just right in the middle there. I need to give them a lot more fertilizer. And then the tomatoes are starting to grow as well. Green tomatoes, loads there as well. I think I need to trim the stems a bit. This is the second round of coriander. They should be growing soon. This is that Bangladeshi Asian vegetable. Ooh, there's one growing there. This is called photol. They grow to about this big. Some more there. Now they're starting to grow. Okay. They are quite delicious. Hello there. Are you going to go through the rest of these? Do you know what these are? These are potato plants. Well, that's a plant. I don't know why they're giving some flowers. Do you do any gardening at your house?
Yep.
What have you grown?
There's Bangladeshi pumpkin, and there's potatoes, tomatoes.
Are they growing though yet?
Yeah, they are growing.
So these
My dad-
potato plants,
my
they've
dad
been
placed all them out.
about a month now, 6 weeks. So another 2 months and we should have loads of potatoes underneath. And then here I think is an aubergine plant. But nothing growing yet. Here we got more corianders. There we got some nice lettuce here. Do you like lettuce?
Yeah.
The salad. Yeah. And then spinach. We've had some spinach already in curries, but now these are plants. So we produce the seed, and if they fall, they make more spinach. These are lai pata, another Asian vegetable. Look, do you know what this is?
I forgot what it was. I remember.
Red spinach. That's growing quite well.
I've seen it.
And this is called denga, which isn't growing that well. So there should be like these stalks need to get like really big. If they get big, then you can eat them in as a vegetable in like fish curry. Got more pumpkins here. I can't see any actual pumpkins. These are different to those ones over there. Potatoes. These are my do you know what these are? These are coriander, finally growing. I don't know who's done this. Why is there mud everywhere?
Someone's probably trying to sort it out, but then
There's mud everywhere. More lettuce. Do you know what these are? Any
I
idea?
don't know any of them.
These are carrot leaves. Carrots.
Carrot.
Carrots, yeah. And then they should, obviously I think another month, the carrots should be already underneath. These, I can't remember at all what they are. I think Mom's grown these. Can't remember if I did radish in these, you know. Might be radish. So yeah. And then over there, can you see that tree? That one there on the left hand side? That's a fig. That's a fig tree.
Big tree.
Fig, yeah. And then we did have a very rare plum tree. An endangered species, but someone accidentally cut it.
That one there.
This one, they cut it. It was yellow pumpkins. Ooh, can you see one there? I mean, not pumpkins, plums.
Oh yeah,
Not
that
plum.
one's fallen.
That one fallen. But can you see all those there? They're a rare plum. I think they're called Montebello or something.
I can see all of those there.
Yeah, I don't know where they've come from because they look fresh. So yeah, I'll give you another few weeks and then we'll see how the garden's doing. Come on. No. Come on. Oh, drop it. Just drop it. Huh? Yeah, give it. Cut. Just drop it there. Drop it there.
Look, it's gone.
I'm in right now. It's looking at me. Nergi. It's taking the bone and the chicken. It's about the 27th of September. I think it's been what, 5-6 months now since these pumpkins were sown, and mashallah, look, finally they're growing. Yeah, Papa. Look, do you remember you helped me do gardening? And now they're growing. These are the tiny ones, but here, another big one here, and one over there. What are you doing?
Breaking it.
We've had some quite a few tomatoes as well. They don't go red, but at least the tomatoes.
It's green.
There's a full bowl full at home as well.
It's green.
It's green, yeah. We've had plenty of lettuce this year as well. And we've got these vegetables called photol. We've had about, I don't know, good 4 or 5 lots and given it out to people as well. So here's the tomatoes, and here's a mint, well, I don't know, plant is it? With mint leaves. We have it with our tea and stuff. And then these are my red pepper plants. The red peppers haven't grown. I think we should have put them out in the summer because I gave it to my aunt, and they grew a few, some nice red peppers, but mine haven't grown. That's another chili plant from Mum. Alhamdulillah, garden carrots that I grew last year, and now finally they're doing well.